Hola people, Bree Slay here, aka the beauty plug, all that connects you to your beautiful. And listen, I've been going for a hot minute, because life was lifing, okay? However, I am back. Welcome to another new episode of What's New Wednesday. I don't know if I'm even going to post this on a Wednesday or whenever. I think I'm going to post it before then, because I'm so excited to see y'all and speak to y'all and talk to y'all and to interact with y'all. So, you want products that last long, smell great, that made me get rid of over 30 Bath & Body Works lotions, because this is it. And y'all know I have a massive collection. If y'all want to find out what changed my life, and I'm talking about Black-owned business, body oiled, that smells like niche and designer fragrance, then come on now. You know what to do. Hey y'all, so this ain't supposed to be in the view, honey. I missed you guys so much. Life was lifing, and I had to take a minute to regroup. Okay, so listen to me. While I was regrouping, okay, one of my besties, my daughter's madrina, okay, mi hermana, my sister, she went to Brown Sugar Babe, had a pop-up shop in New York. She went. Now, I've been hearing about Brown Sugar Babe, and people have been asking me to review it. What do I think about it? And I looked at it, I was like, But baby, when my friend and I go out and I keep smelling this fragrance on her, and I'm like, what do you have on? And she's like, I have on Brown Sugar Babe, you know, the one that smells like Delina. And you know, I'm not really a major fan of Delina. Valaya is my girl, and Delina Exclusif is my girl. However, every time she gets in the car and we go out, it's smelling up my whole car. And let me tell you something. My body eats. When I tell you eats up fragrance, eats up lotion, okay? It eats it up. Like, I have to spray half the bottle for you to smell something. If a fragrance lasts or projects on me, that means it lasts for a really long time. That means that it's really good. My body eats it up, okay? And you probably can see me glistening right now because I have the body oil right now. And it's a Black-owned business. And what I'm talking about Brown Sugar Bae, okay? Brown Sugar Bae, she got me some from the pop-up shop. And then I went online and bought some more and waiting for some more to come. I took all of my lotions from Bath & Body Works, the majority of them, and took it to the women's shelter, okay? Because every woman deserves to feel beautiful and smell good. Took that to the women's shelter. I'm sure they're going to be able to love that and utilize that, because I don't need it. Because guess what? First of all, let's take a moment of silence. Why? Because when you have this on, you're going to slay all these out here. Okay? Brown Sugar Babe. So I have a few. I'm going to do a part 1 and a part 2. Okay? And tell you what I think, what my experience was. And so from the pop-up shop, my bestie got, what did she get? She got me, I believe, 4. Yes. So she got me, one moment. She got me Island Girl, which smells like, to me, African Pride hair grease. No shade. It is very tropical and very islandy. And I couldn't get the smell out my nose. And I'm like, what does it smell like? To me, it smells like African Pride hair grease. And it's a nice smell from back in the day, but I wouldn't use that on my body, me personally, okay? Then she got me Cherry Bomb, which is supposed to be the dupe for Tom Ford, Lost Cherry. Now, is it giving Lost Cherry? Yes. Is it potent? Yes. Okay? I made a mistake and wore this for my nighttime bed fragrance. Wrong move. Wrong move. Okay? These retail for about anywhere to $50. So it says it starts at $20. $20 is the little small little 1 ounce. girl, just go ahead and get you the 4 ounce. That's it, okay? This is gonna last you a long time because a little goes a long way. And you know how oils sometimes can make your skin feel slick and greasy? No, boo-boo. This absorbs into the skin and your skin feels and looks like butter. Okay? Take my word for it. The next two, I use them together as a combo, okay? Rich Auntie is the dupe for Delina Exclusif. Baby, go on ahead and stop the video. Go on ahead and stop it and go on to brownsugarbabe.net. Go on ahead and go get you some Rich Auntie. Baby, when I tell you, okay? When I tell you that I wore Rich Auntie mixed with Sweet Thang, okay? Sweet Thang gives it a little bit more sweetness, just a smidget, because this is it. This is the oil. The oil is the consistency is nice. It's not too thick. It doesn't leave you greasy. Baby, when I tell you I wore this to the airport, I went to Miami and wore it to the airport. The lady went through TSA with me and she wound up getting on the same plane as me, this lady and her boyfriend. She said, listen to me. I want you to know that I smelled you all through TSA and you smell so good. When I was at TSA, the lady complimented me. Okay? When I got on the plane, listen to me. Listen. Every time I wear this combination, every time, excuse me, perdón, listen. People smell me down the street. When I tell you the longevity, the sillage projection is amazing. You don't even need perfume if you don't want it. And I'm telling you now, my body eats up fragrances. It eats it up. Yum, 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 yum. This is the perfect dupe for Delina Exclusif because I own Delina Exclusif. Listen. It has a little stopper in the top that you can take off to disperse your oils on. And then it also has this other top as well that goes on top of it. And I think that's great because if you're traveling with it, you don't want to lose it. I mean, spill it. Because this costs a little coin. This one's $65. Okay? This one's a little pricey. But when I tell you worth every penny, go on ahead and treat yourself. Okay? Let me tell you something. Go on ahead and go get it. If you don't get none of them, get that. Okay? Next is Sweet Thang. Sweet Thang is nice and sweet. It reminds me of, I can't put my finger on it right now. It's just delicious. It's just sweet and it's delicious. It has a vanilla undertone to it, but a little boozy at the same time. So it's delish, divine. And you mix that with Rich Auntie. Listen here. Go on ahead and go get it. They just had a sale, 20% off. It was a one-day sale, yes, and I went and bought me another bottle of Rich Auntie, the 8-ounce bottle, okay? Now, I picked up some more things, and I was going to discuss it with you guys right now, but guess what? I'm in the process of having to get out of here. I need to go and, you know what? Let me mention one more. I want to mention one more for the road, okay? I also got, so for the lychee lovers, people who love lychee, a lot of people don't know that Chloe, which is a great scent for summer and spring, has lychee in it. Chloe by Chloe has lychee in it. And I love Chloe. I get compliments every time I wear it. So I got me the body oil. And it's called H.E.R. Baby, this it? This the one and the two? You don't even need to spray Chloe on top of this? This it? This the one? My bestie smelled. This is the one that I picked up. I bought myself. Okay? My bestie said, what you got on? It smells divine, delicious. So as my friend Sandy would say, smelling like a good choice, okay? An excellent choice, okay? Listen. Go and invest, okay? I just got rid of 30 Bath & Body Works creams, and I love Bath & Body Works. But nothing hydrates and has you smelling as good as this. Let me tell you something. You are not going to regret it. The quality of these products, amazing. One of the other products that I did purchase was the dupe for Donna Born and Roma body oil, and the other one I purchased was Forbidden Angel, or that's the dupe for Angel Share. Now I have Angel Share. The one that I got as far as the dupe for it, the body oil, it did not smell like it. To me, that smelled like YSL Libre, so I don't know if it was a label misprint, but let me tell you about their customer service. I reached out to them, got a response immediately. They sent me a return label. How it works is you return it, they deduct this price for shipping, and they give you a credit, okay, after inspection and all those good things. And I also sent back the Donna Born and Roma dupe because to me it had a very strong pine note. I don't know what that was, but it was giving okay, but my friend has it and she loves it. So what I'm saying to you is, if you don't do nothing else, go on ahead and pick you up a bottle of Rich Auntie and Sweet Thing and H.E.R. Just go on ahead and go pick you up a few. I promise you, okay, I promise you that you are not gonna find body oil like this. And this is me with my own coins. This ain't no PR. I ain't get no hookup, no nothing. Baby, I've been wearing this thing consistently for a little over a week now. Do you hear me? Put a little drip in my bath. Come out smelling luxurious. When I tell you this thing's potent, knock you in your face. So if this ain't for the week, so if you want something nice and calm, and no. So, are these stay or slays? These are definitely slays. Go ahead and support Brown Sugar Babe. Go get you some. I have a part 2 coming up where I talk about the other goodies that I got. Some dupes for House of H.E.R, some dupes for K. Ali's Pink Pepper. Is it Pink Diamond Pepper or Pink Pepper? One of them. But listen, stay tuned. I have some more. Part 2 of Brown Sugar Babe. Go on ahead and get you some. Just go on ahead. Go ahead. Now, for me to be in retirement for a little bit and come back, not retirement, but on a little hiatus, and I was on a sabbatical and I came back, go on ahead and go get you some, okay? Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I miss you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it's okay. I'm gonna give you a little bit of time. You gotta watch 1 or 2 videos. I understand. This is a safe space for you all. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay elevated, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay blessed.